In this video, we will learn how to change name on Threads. Let's get started. I have a Thread account. If you don't have one, on an iPhone you need to go to the App Store, and in the case of Android simply go to your Google Play Store, install the app, and create an account. The Threads app is an Instagram app. First of all, go to the Profile button. I can touch Edit Profile here. Touch here. Here you can see that your name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. These two accounts or two apps are linked together. I have to change it over on the Instagram app. Let's go back and touch the Instagram button. Here touch Edit Profile. I can touch on my name and change it here. If you are all done, touch on the check mark. Go back to the app and refresh here. Your Threads name has been successfully changed. This is how to change name on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.